You're looking for a fan, a ceiling fan, 36-inch in walnut tri-blade by Benice Fun. We're going to show you what you get inside and how to install and what the fan is about. From the company Benice is a fan, 36 inches, 6 speed, 36 decibel. It's walnut. I'm going to show you how to hang it, what it's about. In the package is an instruction guide, a manual, everything nicely laid out. We have two types of controls. We have a wall mount control wireless and a handheld wireless remote. We have the blades, the cosmetics, the poles, and the DC motor. Optional hanging brackets to the beams are required. We have here is a box that we're going to assemble the bracket gimbal holder. Align up and lock down. These are the poles. They go into the bracket gimbal and they lock down. Choose the height you are after. We have the motor and the bracket and the blade. Needs to be assembled. This is what you're going to have. Lock down with the bolts. Place in the bolt. Align up correctly and lock down. Repeat for the next. When all the bolts are on, secure down firmly. Place the two spare to the side, lift, and place upright. Remove the Kotler bolt and pin, loosen up the two screws, remove the tie wrap. Before placing on the short pole, place on the cosmetic cover first. The cosmetic cover for the screws, magnetic, and the cosmetic motor cover. And pull out the ground. Then slide the module through the best you can. Slip through, slide down and match up the holes to the bolt and the pin. And lock the screws down. With the receiver transmitter cables, match like for like, white to white, black to black, red to red. Ground to ground, with the hardware package wire nuts. The optional blue and white is for a light placed to the side. The 36-inch fan is lightweight. Slide down the cover, wires out of the way, place onto the gimbal. Spin to lock into place. Slide on the remote control transmitter receiver into the open slot area. Match lead for lead and lock down. Then you're going to slip up, remove the cosmetics, and lock into place. Twist and place up the magnetic cover. Your light is assembled. The above is assembled with optional AAA batteries to the remote control. Hang in your locations. With the light in the blue status, simply hit on, touch buttons, and you have different controls and features. The fan gives a beep when it gets power. Nice high-pitched beep. Control the fan by two controls. Speed 3, press it, you hear a beep, and the fan starts. If you're changing the speed of the fan, which is the center, it takes about 10 seconds to reverse the speed. It does a smart check, and off we go. We have here is imitation of outdoor wind. As we press it, it beeps, and it go fast, slow, medium, slow, fast, like so. We have the options to slow down or increase. And we have the options to set a temperature that the fan will work at. You could see what the light's about, and you could put it on a timer. 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. We have everything that we showed on the wall mount moat, as well as a remote handhold. This is the Benice Fun fan in walnut, 36-inch, no light. For rooms, for indoor, outdoor, protected under the weather. You have the option to cool off hallways, bedrooms, dining rooms, and more. Enjoy your Benice Fun 36-inch walnut ceiling fan. Thank you for viewing.